Last seat remains dito sa ating finals, semi-finals round of the Pampanga Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament Delta Cup 2024 semi-finals round. One more game ang natitira. Once again, we have a jam-packed crowd for the 5th consecutive game dito nga sa Delta Cup natin as the last game of the semi-finals round. Pinuno ng mga kabalin ang ating Brenzy Giao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. One last seat remains dito sa finals round. Who will qualify as Coach Vince Patrick Itban, the head coach of Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca, will try to lead his team to the finals. Makakatapat niya his former national champion teammate, the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino, will try to lead Level Up Lubao to a perfect record dito. And that is our game at hand between Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca kontra Level Up Lubao. Isang magandang gabi sa lahat ng kabalin na nakatutok dito sa Pampanga PIO and Sinag Liga TV. Kami po ang inyong makasama. I am the Chief Enzo Galarosa and together with me is Alvin Tanyada on our analyst panel. Alvin, good evening sa'yo. After that exquisite first game, eto na naman tayo with one last seat remain in the finals.
Yes, eto nga, for all the marbles, itong ating last game. At good evening nga po sa lahat ng ating mga kabalin po. At sa mga nanonood sa atin, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, at sa buong Asia dito. Excited na tayo para dito sa bakbakan na to kasi this is for the final seat for both squads.
Very, very exciting na. I'm pretty sure exciting din ang dalawang magagandang makakasama natin on the sideline, si Francine Capili and MJ Raimundo reporting on the two teams. Makakakwentuhan natin sila mamaya-maya. But syempre, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong semifinals round natin sa lahat ng social media platforms natin at Pampanga PIO on Facebook. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. And this is also simultaneously being broadcasted live sa ating media partner at Sinag Liga Asia sa YouTube channel namin at Sinag Liga TV dahil nga susunod na mapapanood nila ang ating finals round nga. Kaya nga Alvin, let's take a look at the tournament format dito for our game. Ano ba ang nangyari? Ano ba ang mga mangyayari pa dito?
Yes, oo, dahil nga dito tayo sa semifinals, it's a single round robin wherein the top two teams in the at the end of this final four matchup ng semifinals will go to a best-of-3 finals that which will start tomorrow, while yung 3 and 4 may knockout game for the battle for the 3rd and the 4th placers.
As you said nga, Alvin, di ba, the placing matters dito sa single round robin style semifinals natin. Kaya let's take a look at the updated team standings natin dito sa semifinals. Dahil nga kanina, meron na tayong nakitang koponan na sitting pretty na at the final round, di ba?
Yes, you can see here that Minalin All-Stars is officially eliminated and for that, so mag-aantay na lang sila na makakalaban nila sa battle for 3rd, and that is where itong Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca mag-aantay din dito kasi you can see here 2-0, 2-1, and 1-1. Pag nanalo itong Abe King, 2-1 to, tatlo, three-way tie dito. At meron tayong magic number na hanapin dito para malaman kung sino ba talaga yung papasok sa finals. Yun ay i-discuss natin mamaya.
Yes, that is true, Alvin. Kaya nga saktong-sakto itong game story natin for the final game of the semifinals round. A test of patience and character.
Yes, kaya nga, ito nga, Level Up Lubao, syempre, gusto nila na ma-sweep nga itong buong tournament na to. So, why not get that game? Pero syempre itong Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca, hindi rin basta-basta magbibigay ng isang laro dito. So, this will be an exciting game for that last spot in the finals.
Yes, and we will talk about the two teams nga. Let's go in-depth nga sa kanilang journey dito to this final day of the semifinals round. First, let's start dito sa Abi-Abi King Panyulong Florida Blanca, led by the Rising Suns. Dito, just like Speedy Harvey Salvador and Jin Layog. And ito nga ang mga resulta sa semifinals round nila.
Ito, nanalo nga sila in that first game natin in the semifinals, 65-7 against itong Minalenyo. But again, they lost in that matchup against Apalit. I love it. So, medyo makikita natin yung difference dito.
Yes.
It's an 8-point win. It's a 13-point win for Apalit. I love it. So, magic number for Abi-Abi King for them to gain a seat in the finals, 8 points or more.
Yes, that is correct. And now let's turn it over to Francine Gabili for her update on Abi-Abi King Panyulong Florida Blanca. Francine, take it away.
Good evening, Enzo and Alvin. Coming off from a very hard loss against Team Apalit, this game will show how eager Florida Blanca is to advance to the championship. With the help of their key players, Aldrin Serrano, Kevin Menansala, and Harvey Salvador to name a few, Florida Blanca would have to hustle their way to victory against Level Up Lubao, who have been keeping a clean record this semifinals. But despite Lubao's momentum, Florida Blanca are ready to give their all and for the last game of the semifinals. Now back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, Francine. And there's two takeaways from that report ni Francine that also perfectly describes etong ang level up Lubao, di ba? Momentum and
Yes.
clean record, di ba?
Oo, yun nga 2-0. Why not end the semifinals with a 3-0 clean slate?
Yes.
Para mapakita kung gaano sila ka-dominate, paano nila na-domina itong semifinals for this. And you can see there, paano ba nila na-domina nga itong semifinals? It was a close game against Apalit. I love it. But look at that. It's a 19-point win against Minalin. So, yun yung magiging laban dito for Level Up Lubao. A win here will book them a place in the finals dyan. So, makakalaban nila, Apalit. I love it.
That is true. So let's see if they can sweep this semifinals round. But now, let's turn it over to Milka Jazz Raimundo for her update on Level Up Lubao. Milka, take it away.
And I will be reporting sa side ng Lubao, Pampanga. Well done, beatable team. Continue to dominate tonight's game against the strong team Florida Blanca. Sabi nga ni Assistant Coach Marty Ocampo, we will work as a team and para makuha ang panalo. Let's find out more later, but for now, Enzo and Alvin, take it away.
Milka for that update on Level Up Lubao. And the interesting fact dito, Alvin, Florida Blanca, the #1 team after the elimination round, and then Level Up Lubao, the #1 team in the semifinals round. Kaya nga, sobrang exciting na itong laro natin at alam ko hindi na makapag-antay pa ang mga kabalin dito kasi coming up next, it's the battle between Abi-Abi King Panyulong Florida Blanca and Level Up Lubao. And to introduce the starters of the game, let's turn it over to Ram Valid.
Good evening once again, gentlemen parents, and welcome to Brand C. Gao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament Semi-Final Round. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinagliga Asha. We're also live at Pampanga Public Information Office, FB page, and YouTube channel. This is the main event of the evening. It's the battle between Abi-Abi King Panyulong Florida Blanca and your Level Up Lubao. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Florida Blanca. Point guard number 17, Harvey Salvador. Shooting guard number 25, Aldrin Serrano. Small forward number 7, Glenn Gregorio. Power forward number 5, Kerbin Manalazan. And center number 26, Bert Lyer. Head coach for Abi-Abi King Panyulong Florida Blanca is Vince Patrick Itband. Assistant coaches Jason Sundiam, Chris Kasupanan, and Kevin Serrano. Team owner Honorable Darwin Madalanzan. Your Abi-Abi King Panyulong Florida Blanca. And now let's meet the starters for your Level Up Lubao. Point guard number 17, CJ Delpino. Also at guard number 22, Mark Manalang. At forward number 2, Memeng Pangan. Also at forward number 8, Franz De La Cruz. And center number 29, Allen Donan. Head coach for Level Up Lubao is James Allen de la Peña. Assistant coaches Bert Binuya, Mark Domingo, and Marty Ocampo. Your Level Up Lubao. Game officials charged in action. Michael Galutera, Dennis Escaros, and Jong Bandayat. This is the government.
And here are your starters of the game for Florida Blanca. They start with Speedy Harvey Salvador, Aldrin Serrano, Jean Bert Layug, Glenn Gregory, and Kerwin Manansala. Para naman dito sa Level Up Lubao, they start with Pangan, De La Cruz, Allen Danan, Mark Manalang, and the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino. One last seat remains. Sino ba ang makakatapat ng Apalit I Love It?
Yes, makakatapat nitong Level Up Lubao.
Oo.
Actually, Level Up Lubao already in the finals.
Yes.
Because of that win earlier by Apalit I Love It. And mag-aantay tayo dito kung
Papa.
sino yung makakatapat nila. At least, bigyan natin sila ng update dito. If,
That's right.
if Florida Blanca wins this matchup, if they win by 8 or more, it will be Florida Blanca kontra Level Up Lubao.
Yes.
Kontra Level Up Lubao sa ating finals. But if itong manalo, itong Florida Blanca by 7 points, it will be Lubao kontra Apalit.
Yes, very interesting. Pero a good start for the 20-year-old phenom, Franz De La Cruz. Pero a counter by Glenn Gregorio. What a matchup we have here, Alvin, diba? Two of the best teams we've seen in the entire elimination round and playoffs nagkatapat to decide sino ba ang papasok sa finals.
Yes, kaya nga dito. Maganda agad yung starters. It's the speedy guy, speedster, kontra kay Tasmanian Devil Mares. Natakbuhan to in the start.
Takbuhan versus athletic ability, and look at that. Manalang gives it to Delfino. They swing it over to France. Will try from the other side. Air ball that time.
Medyo bitin yung tres na yun,
Oo. Pero imagine mo, 20 years old with guts like that to shoot us. Speaking of shoot, Aldrin Serrano from way downtown. Gregorio sets, fires, in and out, and Danan, the tallest man on the floor with a rebound. 17 years of age, diba? And with this experience, he'll just get better, this kid, Allen Danan.
Oo, malaking bagay. Yung height din, no? Ito nga sa Pampanga, we all know, ang daming mga players na mga, pag sinabi mong height is might, no? 6'9", Justin Baltazar.
Yes.
May Drex Del Ros Reyes, kabana na sa Letran na ngayon.
Yes.
But you can see, those are big names na may talagang big height, no?
Don't forget, 6'5", Poli Policarpio from De La Salle,
Policarpio,
diba?
yes, oo.
And the 6'6" skyscraper of Letran, Kevin Santos, diba?
Kevin Santos din.
So,
Marami,
dami.
basta pag 6'5", pataas.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero ito, small guard, Speedy Harvey Salvador. Ito yung mga favorite ng mga fans eh. And like I said, he takes a shot there, but Danan talagang towering over everybody. Oh, Delfino has a running start. An early foul there by Gregorio. Maybe a good foul, no, Alvin? Kasi bumuelo na itong si CJ Delfino.
Yes, stop the fast break kagad.
Yes.
Mahirap kasi pag biglang nakaangat pa ito si Delfino, bibigyan mo ng dalawang free throw. Yan, good foul to stop him while he is on his way.
Yes, as an early substitution for Coach James De La Peña. Pasok niya, Kenji Gonzalez, a knockdown shooter. So he has options from left and right. Talking about Delfino, either Kenji Gonzalez or Franz De La Cruz on the floor. CJ works the pick and roll. One-handed shot, no good. Rebounded by Manansala, who has been on a rebounding tear these past few games sa semifinals round, including a double-double, 11-point, 10 rebound performance in the first game. Harvey blocked right there by Gonzalez. Salvador with a fake. Couldn't knock it down.
Napaka-smooth nung layup niya. Attempt niya na yun, no? Hindi nga lang pumasok.
Rivalry renewed between Delfino and Salvador, who both played for Sinag Liga Asia. Hustle Rising Sun si Harvey, Pampanga Delta itong si Delfino. There's a foul whistle here on Eman Pangan on the rebound play.
And we are talking about the guards here. Delfino kontra Salvador. Pag pinag-uusapan, syempre gusto nila magpasikat. Andito, one of the highest scoring guards in Philippine history. Jeff Viernes nanonood din dito.
Dahil Friday eh.
Oo,
Di ba?
Lumabas si Jeff.
Kanina nagsushooting yan eh. And speaking of shooting, Gregorio not gun shy. Oh, look at that move!
What a layup!
Grabe naman! Aldrin Serrano introducing himself to level up Lubao.
Smooth as silk in that attempt. Nahuli. Ang layo nung layup niya, no?
Would you believe that ito daw yung first big league na sinalihan ito ni Aldrin Serrano, but a counter right here for Eman Pangan. Mid-range jumper is pure.
And what a way para magpakilala, no? Sa, not just here in Pampanga, but the entire nationwide dito.
Yes.
Through the Delta Cup.
Totoo, and for sure, somebody will pick up this kid Aldrin Serrano, di ba?
Oo.
Gregorio, ball is loose. Glenn nearly lost it, but ball stays dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. Halos di na tayong magkarinigan. May Toronto. And speaking of, Jeff Viernes himself.
Jeff Viernes.
Mr. 50 plus.
Yeah, once scored 70 plus points
Yes.
in a pro game. Ganyan yan si Jeff Viernes. 5'9", pero 5'9", i-score ka na 71 points. Ang hirap nun.
And in his heyday, very athletic si Jeff Viernes. Kind of like CJ Delfino. Are we seeing a possible, di ba, heir apparent to Jeff Viernes, di ba?
You will learn a lot from Jeff Viernes.
Totoo. Kasi ito, France. Pops, fires. No good. That's the Layug effect. And the jumper, John Zita off the bench, and happy watching to the 4.6 thousand viewers sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. At first quarter pa lang tayo.
Yes, oo. At dito pa lang sa venue, sabi mo, hindi tayo magkarinigan dito. Eh, akala ko nga kanina, mga fans ni Direk Nomar Santiago yung mga nandito sa loob ng venue eh.
Kaya ano yun, sabi ni Penelope, the phenomenal director in all of East Asia. At napaka-husay na director, di ba?
Siyempre, hindi lang pang basketball, sabi ni Penelope, pati pang boxing.
Oo. Hindi na pang boxing, pang overall na yan.
Oo, sabi nga ni Direk kanina, kung meron daw makikita dyan na yung may ulo.
Oo.
Pag nakita raw niya na meron na dyan, magka-come out of retirement daw siya.
Aba? Ano na lang. Ready na yung medic dapat. Buti na mga bata naglalaro, di ba? Kaya ba ng katawan nila?
Sabi ni Direk Noman, 20 years old? Parang 25 lang daw yung pangakatawan ni Direk Noman.
Pwede.
Pangakatawan, ha?
Pangakatawan. Pwede, Neto Delfino. Jabs. Natapik sa likod ni Serrano. Here comes Gregorio. Glenn. Good ball stop there from Franz de la Cruz. Kerwin from the corner. No good pa rin. Now over 5 from 3-point land in the Florida Blanca. Layug left it short. A foul on the rebound play. I believe it's going to be whistled on Jinbert Layug. So we're talking about Alvin. Another Pampanga pride. At yung height kanina ni Alendanan, ito naman, shot blocking. When you talk about shot blocking, pride of Pampanga, none other than a national treasure in Japet Aguilar. And Jinbert Layug has that in his potential.
Japet Aguilar, meron kang Justin Baltasar dito rin. So there are lots of players against Kevin Santos. Those are players that can really give the good Santos. Tres na yun, ha?
Grabe! Pangalawa na yan dito ni Franz de la Cruz. 20 years of age with guts of gold. And ito, what will Florida Blanca counter? They're down by 6. Speedy Harvey, beautiful beer step. Wala yun, tapingan ng bola, Layug. Ayaw pa rin. You can see the frustration in Layug's face there. De la Cruz swings into the Tasmanian Devil. Delfino will work the pick and roll with Zita. CJ to France. Same spot, different result. But they get it right back. CJ attacks, blocked by Layug.
Good block there.
And ito on the counter, Serrano to Salvador, to Gregorio, puts it up. Couldn't get the three-point play, but he'll get it. He'll get 2 points to the free throw line. We have to shout na dito. Dahil nga, may torotot yung kabila, yung level of Lubao. Ito naman, may drums ang Florida Blanca. But speaking of, nothing but net for the 20-year-old phenom, Franz de la Cruz.
You were saying may drums, may torotot, may drums parehas sa koponan.
Oo.
May
Na-late.
torotot yung level up Lubao, pero may lobo naman. Itong kabilang koponan.
Parang birthday party. Grabe. Na-late yung drums na itong Lubao, di ba? And also, 5,000 viewers sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Grabe.
That's a free throw violation.
Alam niya, short eh. It happens to the best of them, di ba? Ito, papasok na Shaquille Orina for the first time for Florida Blanca. The bench mob for Coach Vince Icban. Inuunti-unti niya. Ito nga, Luis Serrano, Shaq Orina, and Alquero now on the floor together with Aldrin Serrano and Kerwin Manansala.
And again, the bench important for this game. Kasi kanina yung minalin, yung bench nila, yun yung nagpabuhay sa
Yes.
kanila to get back in the ballgame. Medyo kinuha nga lang even though they lost. But the bench was a key factor. Now, let's see if the bench, which bench will be a key factor dito? Will it be for Florida Blanca or will it be for Lubao?
Well, as of now, Alvin, itong bench ni Coach James De La Peña, especially this man, John Zita, another explosion of the first quarter off the bench. Pang ilang beses na niya ginagawa, and he has been the barometer coming off the bench for Coach James De La Peña the entire playoffs. There's a whistle right there. But right now, let's turn it over to Francine Capili for her report on Abi-Abi King Panyulong, Florida Blanca. Francine, take it away.
Hello again, Enzo and Alvin. I was able to talk to Florida Blanca's head coach earlier, Coach Vince Icban, and I asked him, ano yung mga changes and adjustments that they made coming off a loss from Apalit and knowing that Lubao has been having a good semifinals run. Ang sabi sa akin ni Coach, binago talaga nila ang kanilang depensa at mas pinahigpit nila ito. Kasama na rin ang mindset ng kanilang team and importantly, their players na magtiwala lang sa isa't isa at kakayanan nilang manalo. Now back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, Franz, for that report. And Franz mentioned mindset of Florida Blanca, and here's the thing why I highlight the word mindset. Before that loss to Apalit, I love it, they had an 11-game win streak. Their only loss before that was in the first game nila dito sa Delta Cup. So I'm interested to see ano nga ba yung mindset nila coming off a loss dito sa semifinal round.
Yes, so yung talo nga na yun, malaking bagay din yun kasi it broke their 11-game winning streak.
Yes.
Ngayon, and if they lose this ball game, yung chance na, yung sinasabi nilang they're one of the dominating teams here in the tournament, mawawala na.
Yes. Oh, there's a foul there on Alquero, swiping on the follow-through na foul niya. Itong si De La Cruz. So Franz De La Cruz going back to the free throw line and, 20 years old from Lubao. I've talked to two guys from Lubao that says this kid is the next big thing. Talking about a Mythical 5 member from Perpetual who transferred to Letran, June Arthur Roque, and Mr. Big Moment himself, Justin Bautista of Letran. Kausap ko silang dalawa. Matagal na daw nilang teammate tong batang to and they can see a very, very bright future in Franz De La Cruz.
And you can see his body. He's like another Pampanga legend. Somewhat like a Mike Wico.
Yes.
Mike Wico, ganyan maglaro. A 3-and-D guy, can play defense, he can score from the outside. Even in his days with San Sebastian and with Nueva Ecija, ang ganda ng performance lagi. Yun yung nakikita ko dito kay De La Cruz. He's like a Mike Wico of this squad.
Perfect na perfect, no? Kapampangan comparison. But agad-agad, ito naman si Harold Lopez scoring off the bench. And we're talking about the bench mob for both teams. Ayan na, nagpapakita na pareho. Lorico from the corner. In and out. But look at Sike. Keep it alive. Kenji. Back to Sike. 8 seconds to shoot for the men in blue. Lorico. Pull-up jumper. Ayaw pa rin for Sean. Oh, here comes Harold Lopez. One-on-one against Franz. And Franz had no choice but to foul ito si Harold Lopez. Here comes what I would like to say the barometer for both teams, Alvin, is the free throw shooting. When they have a high free throw percentage, normally it translates into a win talaga, di ba? Kasi it also activates their three-point shooting. Both of these teams aren't three-point heavy in terms of yung attempts. But sa free throw line nila and also the three-point makes, parang ano A1, A2 eh. Pag maganda free throw shooting nila, maganda rin ang three-point shooting, di ba?
And yun nga, and you can see here, ito mga fans in green supporting
Oo.
itong koponan ng Florida Blanca. Green and white, no? Parang,
Yes.
parang kulay ng Lasal.
Lasal, tas ito Ateneo.
Oh, parang ganon.
Blue ba? Huwag na yung
Hindi,
dilaw
hindi,
kasi
hindi.
blue and white ang Ateneo.
Hindi, parang UST. Golden, hindi pa.
pwede.
NU pala.
Pwede naman.
Pwede.
May alam ako ano eh, blue and yellow na school kaso wala na eh. Nagsara na eh.
Parang hindi, STI.
Pwede. STI. As ito, France.
Once again! Tatlong three-point makes now for Franz de la Cruz.
Kita mo yung simpleng-simple, yung 3 points niya. Paggabi daw, talikod siya agad. Someone like a Steph Curry.
Yes.
Diba ganun eh?
And ito may agaw pa si Manalang.
Manalang all the way for the layup. Now a 9-point lead for Lubao. Alquero in trouble. Wasn't aware of the clock. What a finish para dito sa level of Lubao after the first period. Via Franz de la Cruz. Another
First quarter explosion for him as we see some of these highlights in the first quarter. That's how he started. Len Gregorio with a jumper and then Franz de la Cruz with the answer from the outside. And then right here, Aro Lopez creating something out of nothing with that step-through move. But once again, the 20-year-old Phenom with another first quarter explosion, knocking down 3 threes in the first 10 minutes of action. That's why lamang sila ng 9 points, 18-9 after the end of the first period of the final game of the semifinals round of 2024 Delta Cup.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup, the Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament semifinals round. Dito, the last game of the semifinals round robin style. As it'll level up, Lubao have a 9-point advantage after the end of the first quarter and they get first possession of the basketball in the second quarter. As Lorico knocks down a jumper.
And ito, Enzo. Franz de la Cruz already with 9 points. The score of Florida Blanca, 9 points. Silang dalawa. Yun lang eh. It's 1 against 5. Doon pala sa scoring eh.
And look at that block then by Sinke. Grabe, level of Lubao really showcasing their dominance. Had a little bit of trouble in the elimination round but turned it up in the playoffs, especially for this kid, Franz de la Cruz. And parang nag-Jimmy Butler mode siya eh. Kung saan playoffs, di ba? Biglang umaarangkada. Remember, last year when they beat the Boston Celtics, di ba? Let's take a look at that jumper from Sean Lorico. The hustle rising sun. Sean Lorico also facing some of his former teammates from the hustle rising sun team. Ito, De La Cruz. Try to go DHO with Manalang. Good defense by Florida Blanca. And look at him blitz him on the corner, and they force a 24-second shot clock violation.
Yes, that's a shot clock violation there. So good defense dahil talagang nakita mo tinao ito si De La Cruz.
Oh. And that's why binalik itong si Delfino to give them a different scoring option. De La Cruz muna uupo. Luis handling the basketball. Calling for a play, gives it to Harold. Lopez being pressured here by Delfino and Manalang. Orina fires. Way off the mark. Out of sync na out of sync dito ang Florida Blanca, Alvin, no?
Oo, parang nagulat sila dito sa tinakbogan dito ng Lubao. again, you were saying that they are on an 11-game winning streak, but before that, eto,
Yes, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, Coach Pedic Di Matulak at medyo scouting pa si Mayor Jun Tetangco ng Apalit no? So,
Oo.
Pride of Davao and the adopted son of Pampanga, Kurt the Hurt Rayson.
yes, Kurt Rayson there.
Nakita natin kanina. Also in the first game was A.G. Gonzalez, the son of
Yes.
Congressman Dong Gonzalez and the team owner of Pampanga Giant Lanterns AMG3 Construction.
Alam mo, dito pala, nagsascout na sila. The future,
Sino,
no?
diba?
Oo.
Oo.
Sino may pwede natin makuha possibly?
Oo. And they're known to have projects like that, di ba?
Oh, yung Enzo Galarosa kaya, papasasama ba?
Baka tanggalin na ako dito. Hindi na ako babalikin ng Pampanga pag naglaro ako. As Gregorio, wow! Giving Delfino a taste of his own medicine, spin move, and then the floater. That's Delfino's move.
Oo. At least tumama ka doon sa tao kay Gov Delta, Pineda.
Huwag mo na paalala. Mas stress pa yung mga nasa OB ba niya. Lorico, nabitin for Sean. But Sinke, look at the effort right here from the second five of Level Up Lubao.
Lumalaban eh. Ito,
Oo.
alam mo yung, nilabas mo yung starters mo, pinasok mo pa rin yung second unit mo, and then you have CJ Delfino still there. Unti-unti, pinapasok. At ito wala pang halos 2 minuto.
Uminom lang
Binalik
ng
mo
tubig.
naman, uminom lang. Lumagok lang ng isa.
Oo.
Coach, balik na ako.
Grabe, no? Itong si Franz de la Cruz. But Jin Layog also comes back in for rebounding and defensive purposes for Florida Blanca. But here's the thing for Lubao. They are a tough team to stop when they get on a roll like this. Apalit, I love it, had to clamp down and rely on Ice Danting and also si Ken Montalvo for them to win. For Florida Blanca, you have to start your run right now kasi nga once Lubao gets to the third and fourth quarter na malaki na lamang, mahirapan kang talunin talaga sila. Mahirapan kang habulin.
Yes, oo.
Lopez stops. Tried to dish it down low, but once again, the passing lane defense of Level Up Lubao is on point.
In the defense, it has been the primary thing that has been doing wonders here for Level Up Lubao. Yung opensa nandun, hindi nawawala, pero in depensa, it has been on another gear. Kumbaga
Yes.
sa takbo ng kotse, first gear, second gear, sila nasa fourth gear na,
Fourth gear
yung
na.
depensa.
Parangkada na talaga. Speaking of Arangkada,
Yun,
Delfino
oh!
thought it will give us another highlight. Nang hinayang si CJ ito, no?
Oo, kahit si CJ, sabi niya, sayang coach.
By the way, speaking of CJ Delfino, congratulations to him and his wife for, introducing their gender reveal sila. Yung second na anak niya magiging babae. So, congratulations to CJ and his wife.
Yes, and also, kumbaga, this year has been so special for CJ Delfino. Meron yung second child niya, and then also, nakuha siya. He will be suiting up, hopefully, in the next few tournaments for the Letran.
Yes, and yun nga, di ba, we talked about na-recruit siya sa Letran. How many people have been expecting that, di ba? For a long time after nung San Pedro Red Cubs stint niya, he just played here in Pampanga and played for Pampanga. Everyone was asking bakit, di ba? And now, the door has opened for him to return back to a school and play and don the jerseys of Colegio de San Juan de Letran. It's right here, Alquero. Way off the mark. And look at the small guy, Manalang.
Think about that. For Letran, you lose Kurt Rayson, papasok mo. Ito si CJ Delfino. Another Letran, possible Letran na aangat.
And dagdag mo pa, they also get St. Clair's star scorer, Jimboy Estrada.
Oo, yun
Diba?
yung ano.
Imagine that backcourt. Delfino and Jimboy Estrada. John Sherrick Estrada, an elite scorer, di ba? Together with Delfino.
And you have a shooter in the corner like a Yuki Kawamura.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng mga choices nito ni CJ Delfino. And for this upcoming season for the NCAA. Kaya nga, malaking bagay ito for CJ Delfino. For him to learn the ropes of being a true point guard.
Yes.
Kasi hindi siya pwedeng mag-dos because he's too short for being a 2. So kailangan niya magtrabaho talaga bilang a point guard.
Totoo. And also, don't forget, Arthur Roque also transferred to
Yes.
Letran. So, ang dami. Itong
Oo.
options ni Delfino. So, hindi siya pwedeng maging scorer talaga.
Carlo Ferreras.
Carlo
andyan din.
Ferreras pa, whose teammate na si nagliga siya more 2001 Cup, di ba? So, everything is, in the direction of Delfino to having that bright future that we all know he has.
And you have a big man like a Mark Denver Omega.
Yes.
It's very exciting time for the Letra Knights and also syempre kay CJ Delfino kasi
Kakabanggit na natin.
Ayun, kita mo.
Kakabanggit na natin.
Kasi exciting na to sa kanya dahil matututunan niya na talaga maging point guard.
Yes.
Because here he has to score, he has to dish off everything he needs to do here for level up Lubao. Pero pagdating doon, point guard na talaga siya.
Oo. And that's why, you know, you see Nagliga as a stint niya last year and this year as a block there. Great denial by two people as Delfino. Unsportsmanlike foul dahil nauuna na si CJ.
Yes, advantage yun eh.
Oo. And that comes with the inexperience of Aldrin Serrano, di ba? Again, this is his first big league stint. Hindi pa niya alam yung mga ganyang calls. So that's why, you know, inexperience plays a factor dito as bago mag-free throw dito sa CJ Delfino. We have a timeout on the floor, a 13-point lead for Level Up Lubao, 24-11.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
You can watch all of the games of the Delta Cup live sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Lalong-lalo na kanina, 5,000 na po ang nanonood sa Facebook ng Pampanga PIO. At syempre, dagdag mo pa ang sandamakmak na tao dito sa loob ng Brenzy Giao Convention Center. Yung iba siguro bumibili na ng dinner dahil ano eh.
Yung bumibili dyan sa labas ng mga pagkain, no?
Syempre, as we can see, an unsportsmanlike foul was whistled on Aldrin Serrano. May advantage foul nga kung tawagin in professional basketball terms, di ba?
Dahil we're using FIBA rules, yung advantage foul, that's an automatic at sportsmanlike foul.
And, you know, inexperience plays into factor, di ba? Again, Delfino, look at this block by Danan and Sinke. And then there you go. Actually, dalawa pwede pituhan eh. Not going for the ball din naman si Serrano dun eh. So, two things could have actually been whistled on a sportsmanlike foul, but the clear one was an advantage foul. That gives 2 free throws plus ball possession for Level Up Lubao. CJ. Good pass to Sinke. Nabitawan lang ni Vincent. Here comes Gregorio, gives it to Kerwin. Manansala, up-pick, puts it up, and it counts.
At yan yung sinabi ko kanina kay Penelope during the first game. Pag nakarinig ka ng pito, iangat mo pa rin, itira mo pa rin. Because it can lead to a basket. And you can see there, you know, inangat pa rin niya. Good foul there. And yun, itira siya dito ng bonus shot.
Kerwin Manansala, a double-double machine for Florida Blanca. They need more out of him in this ballgame kasi they're currently down by 11 points. And it seems like hirap na hirap itong Florida Blanca na makascore dito on the defensive end because of the defense and length na itong Level Up Lubao.
Yes, only 5 points pa lang tayo dito for Florida Blanca. So they need to step it up.
There's may water bottle on the floor, but habang may lull tayo, let's turn it over to Milka Jazz Raimundo for her update on Level Up Lubao. Milka?
Thank you, Enzo and Alvin. According to assistant coach Marty Ocampo, even though they have the biggest advantage among the other teams, their mindset for tonight's game, win or go home. We want the players, the team to push their limits and the game must go on whatever the opponent will do to stop us. Our game plan will be our main wall. Back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, Milka. Habang nagre-report si MJ for Level Up Lubao, napituhan ng technical foul itong Level Up Lubao bench kasi may gumulong na bote sa floor from their bench.
Oo. Ito yung galing yata dito kay dito sa one of their staff members.
Yes.
Oo.
I believe their team manager.
Yeah, team manager nila yan. But again, it could be an accidental na nahagis nung ano eh. Kasi
Or nasipa, di ba?
nasipa lang naman eh.
Rules are rules, di ba?
Yeah, it's
Technical
FIBA.
talaga yun. Ito Manalang, protecting a 10-point lead. Gusto gawin 13, but he misses. Look at that rebound there by Kerwin Manansala. Speedy Harvey gives it to Aldrin. Serrano only has 2 points to his tally.
Kicks it to Glenn. Gregorio fires. Off the mark. Look at Manansala. Finally, Pangan clears it. For level up Lubao. Danan! Good defense by Jin Layug. The Layug effect once again.
And Dana needs to learn that for that, wag mo muna itira, i-fake mo muna, padaanin mo yung depensa and then saka mo iangat.
Yan na yung, again, yung inexperience.
Yes.
17 years old pa lang tong Allen Danan, di ba? But that will come kasi nga, he was part of the championship team for Pampanga Pradera Team Park. But talking about a champion, the Tasmanian Devil. Nilabas pa yung dila pagkatapos tumira.
Tasmanian Devil na Tasmanian Devil, eh, no?
Grabe. And I remember the last game dito na level up Lubao as a pushing foul was whistled on Eman Pangan. CJ Delfino, the coach of Minalin All-Stars, coined the, I wouldn't say coined the term, pero pinalitan. Hindi sinabi, as we see that floater, hindi daw Tasmanian Devil. I think, to me this is the highest praise you could give a young point guard. Bigyan mo ng nickname ng Mighty Mouse. And we know there's only one Mighty Mouse in Philippine basketball.
Isa lang, nag-iisa.
Oo.
Jimmy Alapag yan. Coach Jimmy. Kumbaga, and that's a technical. I think that's another faking of foul there. Let's see.
Gonna be on Manalang?
Or Layug. Tignan natin.
Manalang o Layug ba?
Kasi tumumba. Hindi mo alam kung...
It's on Manalang. Making a foul.
Faking a foul. Tignan natin.
Take a look at this.
Pagbangga.
He tried to embellish the contact. Kasi blind screen yun eh. No one from the help side told him na may dadating na screen. But minimal contact eh. So,
Yes.
diba? That's where the technical is.
Sinubukan niyang ibenta eh.
Oo. Mahirap talaga magbenta ngayon. Sean Lorico comes back in. Uupo muna si Manalang. So, look at that. The two former Hustle Rising Suns teammates, Harvey and Sean, ang nagbabantayan dito.
Dahil naka-zone sila ngayon dito. So, let's see.
Look at that defense right here for Lubao. And they force a jump ball and ball possession arrow turns the way to Lubao.
Good defensive play there by level up Lubao. So, dito sa semis, again, level up Lubao, they are leveling up dito.
Oo. And alam mo ano gusto ko malaman? Let's hear, patanong natin mamaya kay MJ. Ilan ang barangay captain na present dito sa Brent-Giao? Last game kasi nila, record holder. 47 barangay captains ang dumating.
For Lubao.
For Lubao, 47.
Okay, 47.
So tingnan natin kung nag-increase pa ba ngayon laro.
Feeling ko nadagdagan. Kaya baka 48 na.
Isipin mo yun. Una, ang record doon bago yun, 44. Sila din.
47.
So, tinakasan nila 47.
At ano, ilang ba barangay sa Lubao?
Yun, di ko sure eh.
Ayun lang.
Di ko sure eh. A foul will be whistled here at Kerwin Manansala. Kerwin trying hard to play that parang Dennis Rodman role or kind of like a Sakuragi role. Try to fight for every loose ball, fight for the rebound. But it can't just be him. Rebounding is a team effort, di ba? Kenji fires. No good. Layo. Talagang tinututuro sa referee. Akala mo flag sa volleyball eh. Amin. Still down by 12. Eto Florida Blanca. And as you said nga, Alvin, di ba? 6 points pa lang na i-score nila in this quarter.
Yes. Mabigat yan kasi yung opensa nila, yun yung nagpaangat sila sa kanila buong elimination round.
Oh, Delfino trying to get fancy. Once again, trying to put itong si Harvey Salvador to his TikTok. Pero he turns it over instead. Salvador. Spins.
Oh, kita mo yun yung gusto niya laging gawin kasi yung depensa, wala sa pwesto, spins
Yes.
himself and then gets the foul there.
And we talked about the Mighty Mouse for Delfino. Eto, number 17 from Pampanga. Napakabilis. No other than the pride of Bacolor himself, Jason Castro.
Oh, the blur
Yeah,
himself.
blur.
Oh, 17 numero
Oo,
niya.
di ba?
Oh, perfect match.
Sige ko. Kompletuhin na natin yung Token Text Trio. Kompletuhin na natin.
Pamboy Raimundo's sister is MJ Raimundo.
Wow,
Diba?
syempre.
Paboritohin na natin yung championship. 2009 Fiesta Cup championship team ng Token Tex, diba? Lorico fires. No go. Look at that. Salvador out-rebounding the Toller Gonzalez. Harvey sets a play. Wants a pick from Layug. Swings it to Gregorio. Jin at the post. Decides to give it to Salvador. Drops it off. Gregorio finds a way underneath.
Ang lalim nun. Alam mo yung malalim na, tinira niya, gets the lucky roll.
Pahirapan na. Pero that's the point that you said kanina, Alvin, di ba? Pahirapan ng puntos itong Florida Blanca. They have to earn for every shot. That shot came in at 3.3 seconds na shot clock nila. Samantalang ito, open look for level up Lubao, and Kenji makes it pay.
And Gonzalez. Wala si De La Cruz sa loob. Gonzalez naman, nandyan to be the key figure for that three-point shooting for level up Lubao.
Look at that good kick out right here for Sean Lorico, and Kenji knocks it down for his first 3 points of the game. Balik sa 13 ang kalamangan ng level up Lubao, 30-17.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
We will see on your screens the 20-year-old phenom out of Lubao, Franz de la Cruz, 19 points, 6 rebounds, 4.5 assists. The semifinals numbers.
Yan lang naman yung numero niya,
Lang
no?
naman.
Yan lang naman. 19 puntos, 9 points in the first quarter.
Oo. And for context, Arthur Roque has the same numbers nung nag-Mythical 5 sa NCAA last
Oo.
season, di ba? As right now, let's turn it over to another Francine Capili, for her report on Franz de la Cruz. Franz?
The young and dedicated Franz de la Cruz will lead his team to today's game. Sabi niya, kahit mas bata ako sa mga teammates ko, I can be a leader sa loob ng court. Ipapakita ko lahat ng kakayahan ko and mas persigido kami ngayon because we want to get a straight win and hopefully show what we work hard. Will Franz de la Cruz can still prove his consistency for tonight's game? Balik muna sa inyo, Alvin and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Milka Jazz. My apologies. Si Milka pala yung nasa Lubao nga pala. Hindi pala si Franz.
Hindi kasi hindi, pangalan kasi ni Franz
Pangalan
yung
si
pinag-uusapan
Oo,
natin.
Kaya akala natin si Francis. Nagawa pa na rason, ha? Ito, may konting lull tayo on the court.
Yes, I think may chinecheck lang ata sila dito.
Oo.
Ayan, shot clock. Yun, 2.4 seconds.
There you go. Naging 24 imbis na. Nawala yung point.
Nawala yung point eh, no?
Inusog lang yung decimal point. Arena gives it. Oh, they're not aware.
Ayan lang.
And look at Coach Vince Ban scratching his head. Parang nagkaroon na nga ng lull. Walang nag-check ng shot clock.
Oh, yun na yung opportunity mo na 2.4 seconds, naglal ka. Teka, bakit pa nagkalal? Uy, 2.4.
Walang tumingin, di ba? And that's why Coach Vince is mad. He was livid on the bench.
Frustrated. Lahat na lang gusto mo sabihin.
Oo, lahat ng vocabulary pwede na. And a good steal here by Harvey. Gregorio. Woo! I thought Gonzalez would chase that down, but nonetheless, Gregorio puts it up and in, down to 11. Lorico gives it to Manalang. Mark still silent in this ball game. After that explosion in the last game, Manalang fires. As I say, oh no! Nullified basket. Referees say no count. An illegal pick.
Sayang, yun o, ang bigat ng tres na yun. Open ka na, pero nakita na merong offensive foul.
At pagkasabi ko, natahimik siya, di ba? 0.7 seconds, Harvey from half court. No good at dyan magtatapos ang ating first half of action dito. All level up Lubao from the get-go. Grabe, what a start for level up Lubao here in this first half. As we can see some of the second quarter highlights, an all Lubao highlight reel dito. Lorico Delfino, and especially Kenji Gonzalez knocking down that triple. Dagdagan mo ba si Franz de la Cruz doon sa first half? Kaya nga lamang sila ng 11 puntos dito. 30-19 after the end of the second quarter. Kapit lang po mga kabalin. Malalaman natin sino mag-a-advance sa finals round. Will it be Level Up Lubao? Will it be Florida Blanca? Tutok lang po kayo as we will be right back dito sa 2024 Delta Cup.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, PPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday.
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa 2024 Delta Cup Semifinals round as it's an 11-point lead for Level Up Lubao, 30-19 kontra Abi-Abi King Panyulong Florida Blanca at the half. And you're still joined by Enzo Galarosa and Alvin Tanyada. And Alvin, what did you see in that first half from Level Up Lubao? Bakit sila lamang na 11 puntos?
Yes, they started off with like a house on fire. 9 points from France de la Cruz in that first quarter alone. But they finished with only 10 points. But again, the balance scoring of the entire Level Up Lubao. Ito sa lahat ng mga players na pinasok dito ni Coach Jaime de la Peña, makikita mo yung dalawang player lang ang hindi naka-score. Pero para dito sa Florida Blanca, you can see here, 3 players on the board scoring. Pero meron pa diyang isa na naka 3 points din. Itong si Aldrin Serrano, 3 points. 4 players only scored dito para sa kumuna ng Florida Blanca. So, scoring the main problem here for Florida Blanca.
As ito nga, let's take a look at the bench points in the first half. 11 for Lubao. Florida Blanca only has 4 points off the bench, diba? And we were talking about the barometer for both of these squads is their bench mob. So far, etong Florida Blanca, flat na flat even their bench.
Yes, yung 6-man dito sa loob ng floor. Kasi 6-man nila sa crowd, andyan, buhay na buhay. Pero 6-man dun sa bench, kulang na kulang. 4 puntos lang sa bench.
And 4 players scoring for itong Florida Blanca. Not enough talaga yan, especially in the semifinal round of a steal by Delfino. And no, it was says, sabi ng ating referee na
yeah, that's a foul.
Foul.
Pero the positive thing here for Florida Blanca, Enzo, is their fast break points. They were up in the fast break points dito at the half, 7-3 sa fast break points. So, sa takbuhan, Florida Blanca ang lamang dito.
Yes. As again, Harold Lopez still out of sync from the field. After that beautiful up and under move ng first half, hindi na siya nakatama ulit.
4 points for dito para kay Lopez. So, siya yung 4 points na off the bench na dito kabala ng Florida Blanca.
Wow! Grabe! Nagpapakita na yung tunay na Tasmanian Devil dito. As a counter, right here by Glenn Gregorio. Right back at you, sabi ni Glenn.
And for Glenn Gregorio, makita mo naman yung performance niya. 9 points in the first half and double figures now with 11 points. Yung scoring niya hindi nawawala, pero he needs ample help dito for the entirety of the squad.
Says, also happy watching to Honorable Councilor Darren Manalansan, Honorable Jojo Vito, Honorable Joshua Timbilio of Florida Blanca watching right now. Grabe, dami talaga sumusuporta dito mga local government units of each municipalities and cities. Diba kanina nga nakita natin Mayor Jun Tetango kapalit. As foul will be whistled here on CJ Delfino. Si Coach James de la Peña looking at his bench din kanina. Sino ba pwede niya ipasok? But they'll remain with Delfino on the floor. Baseline inbound for the men in white. Lopez swings it to Gregorio. Glenn kicks it to the corner. Salvador decides to attack. Harvey, what a block there. Good denial from John Zita. Manalang goes underneath. Zita turns, fakes, fires. No good. Tumatakbo na naman itong Florida Blanca, but Lopez turns it over again. That's the barrier dito, no, Alvin. Every time Florida Blanca comes close to within 10 points, hindi na sila makaka-break through doon to under single digits. Hirap na hirap sila once that barrier comes through. France double team. Stolen away by Glenn. Lopez against Delfino. Lopez had to adjust. And an offensive foul whistled. I believe it's on Kervin Manansala. Again, the barrier for Florida Blanca continues to stuff them. 10 puntos pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Level Up Lubao. Manansala, still very, very quiet in this ball game. They kick it to CJ. Delfino spins. Delfino, this is enough. Danan throws it down.
And it's a CJ Delfino show here in the second half. Gumising na ang Tasmanian Devil for Level Up Lubao.
And how about the throwdown from Allen Danan? Nagulat ako, layo ng take-off niya dun. Not cleaned up, but still a highlight nonetheless as highlight hunting. Delfino. The CJ show coming alive in this third. 14-point lead now for Level Up Lubao. And look at the crowd here. Take a look at the spin move, the drop-off, and the throwdown for Allen Danan. And then Delfino right here taking it all on his own. The Tasmanian Devil Show live here inside the Brenzy Igao Convention Center. 14-point lead for Level Up Lubao, 36-22.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
36-22. Oh, a mishap right here for Lubao. They were playing 5-on-4. Some of their players were still in the huddle.
Yes, and finally, kailangan nila yan eh. Makapuslo ulit ng basket kasi nga, umaalagwa na itong Level Up Lubao.
Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan. Delfino pulls back. Wants an isolation against Kervin Manansala. CJ splits the defense, and that's a dribbling infraction for Delfino. So a chance here for Florida Blanca to inch closer in this ball game as 11-point lead. Any basket would cut this lead down to 9 or even 8 if this is 3. Glenn. Oh, an offensive foul whistled on Jean Layug. Again, that barrier, Alvin. Grabe.
Ito si Layug, nakikita natin na defensive capabilities nandun eh. Pero sa offense, nagiging liability siya. Nahihirapan siyang umiscore dito. Now, CJ Delfino will sit down. Yeah, now, we will see if De La Cruz can get his scoring back kasi tahimik siya after that explosion in the first quarter.
That's right. And yun nga, ito, tumatakbo na naman itong Florida Blanca. Will Lubao stop them? Kervin drops it off. And finally, the lead is under single digits. Good drop-off by Manansala. Gregorio with another basket. Glenn Gregorio being the man for Florida Blanca right now. De La Cruz trying to give it to Zita, turns it over. Gregorio on the run. Glenn all the way to the basket, plus a foul.
And for Florida Blanca, you can see ano yung ginawa ng Minalin in that first game. Sinusubukan nilang gawin dito, but as early as the third quarter.
And look at the fans on the bench. Dito ng Florida Blanca there, up in arms. Finally, nababa nila ang kalamangan sa 7 puntos. And they have a bonus free throw, Batito, but we have a timeout on the floor. 5 minutes and 23 remaining in this third period.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
We take a look at the huddle dito ng Florida Blanca. They are inching closer in this ballgame as Aldrin Serrano Here are his semifinals numbers: 17 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 assist per game. A natural-born scorer itong si Aldrin Serrano, Alvin, no?
Yes, oo. Yung hindi mo iisipin na kaya niyang umiscore, pero very unheralded itong si Serrano for their squad.
And talking about Aldrin Serrano now, let's turn it over to Francine for her report on Aldrin Serrano. Franz?
Enzo and Alvin, sobrang importante na game na to dahil gusto namin makapasok sa finals. Ang sabi ni Aldrin Serrano, one of Florida Blanca's key players. Coming from a 13-point loss against Zapalit, I asked him what changes he has made in his plays. Sabi niya sa akin, depensa lang po talaga. Just like what their head coach, Coach Vince Patrick Egban told me, iisa lang yun talaga ang mindset ng Florida Blanca, and it is to trust each other inside the court. Sabi rin ni Aldrin when I asked him, sino ang inaasahan niyang tumulong sa kanya from their team? Ang sabi niya, lahat sila, and that he trusts all of them to give it their all and the best they can, as it is their last game of the semifinals. And nakasalalay dito ang kanilang pagpasok sa championship. Now back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
That is the right mindset. Thank you so much, Franz, for that update. Na yun nga, depensa talaga, especially on this man, CJ Delfino. And no man better to take pointers from if you're Aldrin Serrano than your own head coach, Vince Egban. Kasi magkakampi sila ni Delfino for a long period of time. So alam ni Coach Vince Egban how to defend this Tasmanian Devil. So doon ka na kumuha ng mga ideas mo. But then again, no man is an island. Andyan yung Franz de la Cruz. Andyan yung Mark Manala. And that's why Serrano said, kailangan lahat kami magtulungan para manalo.
Tama yun. There is no I in team, eh, no?
Yes.
So talagang kailangan magtulong-tulong lahat sila dito. Lalo na, itong si Serrano. Hindi naman siya yung super scorer dito sa squad na to. Pero pag umiscore naman siya, magugulat ka na lang. Ang dami na nagagawa nito ni Serrano.
Yes. So, right here, back to an 8-point lead for Level Up Lubao. 38-30, 4 minutes and 34 natitira sa ating quarter. Aldrin, stripped away. Delfino against Harvey. Delfino spins, natapigan ni Alquero and tumama sa paa ni CJ. They're asking for a challenge. Is Coach James going to oblige? Coach James says, let's challenge the call. I trust my players.
Siyempre, sila yung nandun sa kabilang side, mas nakita nila na, Coach, hindi tumama sa amin, tumama sa kabila. So, let's see if this review will be going into their favor or will it stick with the Florida Blanca.
And also crucial dito kasi this lull in the game can also kill Florida Blanca's momentum. Dahil na inuunti-unti na sila ng Florida Blanca dito. Take a look at the referees here looking at our IRS.
Oo, mamaya mas makikita natin yan dito. Yan, so you can see the referees here. Pero again, it has been a splendid all season long for this Delta Cup. And so, ang dami nating nakita all throughout the coverage natin dito. You have been working with Penelope all season long, pero you have seen everything happen here. As you can see here.
Take a look at what happened there. Oh, he clearly hit Delfino's foot last. Madaling makita kasi puti sapatos niya.
Yun.
Swerte. But also give a shout out to the phenomenal director, one of the most phenomenal director in all of East Asia, Direct Omar Santiago. Hindi natin kalimutan yung slow-mo operator natin si Emerson Polieno. Ganda na pagkaka-slow-mo niya dun, no?
Huling-huli nila, no?
Walang makakatakas na kay Emerson, eh. Gregorio attacks. Gregorio flips it up. No good. That was a forced shot right there for Florida Blanca. De La Cruz kicks it to the corner. Lorico couldn't fire. They go back to Delfino. Back to Franz. Three-pointer knocks it down. Pang-apat na yan ni Franz De La Cruz.
Tahimik here in the second quarter and here in the start of the third. Pero sabi niya, kailangan ko nang bumuhos ulit ng aking shooting.
And importantly, balik sa 11 ang kalamangan nila. Look at the fight for the rebound. Harvey keeps it alive for Lubao. Smallest guy on the floor keeping the ball alive. But take a look at this beautiful three-pointer. Nothing but net ulit for Francis De La Cruz. Kerwin spins. Kerwin overshoots that time. Pangan secures it for Lubao. Delfino. Foul. This whistle right here, is it gonna be on Serrano? It is. Oh no, Harvey Salvador daw.
That's only their fourth team foul.
Yes.
So the next foul will mean free throws dito, Enzo. So medyo bumabagal na itong ating third quarter because of the foul situations. But here you can see that the defense of Florida Blanca stepping up. Pero yung offense nakabuhay muli. Uy!
Oh, what a block there by
yun,
Manansala.
defense.
Yes, as you were saying about their defense, Manansala gets a stop as Salvador overshoots again. Not the night for Harvey Salvador. Again, Lorico sets the play up for Lubao. De La Cruz to Delfino. CJ gives it to Pangan, favorite spot. Too strong for Eman Pangan. Gregorio attacks. Gregorio block right there by Pangan. But he throws it away.
At papunta yung bola kay Direk Billy.
Oo. Naka-blue din naman.
Oo, naka-blue rin kasi. Oo.
Harold Lopez comes in for Glenn Gregorio. And also, Luis Serrano coming in for Harvey Salvador. Luis Serrano still quiet. 0 points pa si Luis Serrano. But here's Aldrin. That's a double dribble.
Defense, Nanto na yung pag-clamp up sa depensa dito. Parehas. As both teams only scoring 11 points each. We ended our quarter at the half. The score is 30-19.
Yes.
So right now the score is 41-30. So defense talaga yung naging key dito here in the third quarter. Both teams at 11 points.
And let's not forget, Alvin, diba? The magic number for Florida Blanca is win this game 8 or more, diba?
Oo, para sila pumasok.
Oo. If you win the game by 7 or less, wala. Lubao pa rin ang papasok talaga. As a traveling violation whistle here. Another turnover for Lubao. Sinke will come in for John Zita.
Again, if Florida Blanca wins by 8 or more, it's Florida apalit sa ating finals.
Yes.
If 7 or less, it's Lubao apalit.
So Apalit is waiting na
Waiting
lang and
na sa
watching.
finals.
Kasi Mayor Jun Titanco nga is still here. Nanonood pa rin katabi nila Coach Pedic Di Matulak and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Oo.
Mayor Jun, may contest scouting na rin siguro siya, no?
Oh, isipin mo your mayor is here scouting the opponent for tomorrow's game.
Oo. Layog, way out of his range, gives it to Serrano. Aldrin kicks it to Lopez. Harold, one-handed shot, no go. Look at Layog, trying to keep it alive. Alquero to Serrano. Luis fires. Ayaw pa rin.
Still.
Bodies on the floor. And they say foul of Jin Layog. Then penalty na. This would mean 2 free throws pa for level of Lubao. Let's take a look at this possession right here. Serrano misses on that jumper. And yun, nakakaapit pala si Layog dito on the smaller Manalang. Buti na lang, Manalang was able to brace his fall. That would have been something ugly kasi nahatak siya in mid-air.
Eh dahil penalty na nga pare sa kabunan, tungo tayo sa free throw line dito, Enzo.
Yes. As habang nasa free throw line itong si Mark Manalang, our technical director, Kuya Totoy Obrero, would like to greet, and also on behalf of Sinag Liga, Asha and the rest of the Delta Cup staff, would like to greet his wife, Miss Mabel Obrero. Mrs. Mabel Obrero, a happy birthday.
Yes, happy birthday.
Oo.
At isa pa, happy birthday din, advance happy birthday kay Coach Aisel.
Yes, Coach Camila Aisel Santos. Kanina nandito, di ba? Ang ngiti-ngit birthday na pala niya next week.
Oo. Kaya lang, siyempre dahil wala siya next week. So, ngayon pala, binabati na natin.
Binabati na natin siya. Next week ulit, meron ulit tayong bati sa exactong birthday niya.
Oo.
That's a traveling violation on Layog. Back-to-back turnovers for Jin Layog, giving up a foul, and now a traveling violation. Not the best of games for Jin Layog talaga ngayong araw.
Sabi mo, napapaupo na lang si Coach dito dahil ano pa ba yung dapat natin gawin no?
Yes. Hirap na hirap They cannot solve this barrier netong level of Lubao.
Ano ba yung ginagawa natin during the elimination na hindi natin ginagawa during the semifinals?
Totoo. A turnover whistle right here again. Dito pwedeng mabuhay ang Lubao na parehong koponan for empty possessions. Kasi lamang sila ng 13 puntos But if you're Florida Blanca, you have to start getting some buckets right now. 1 minute and 4 remaining in this quarter. Lopez trying to split the defense. Ball is loose.
And again, another turnover by Mike Count Alvin. 5 consecutive turnovers na for both teams.
Yes, oo, mabigat to. Kaya nag-iisip ngayon dito. Itong si Coach Vince Ekman. Ano pa ba yung kailangan natin yung pag-usapan dito heading sa fourth quarter? Again, magic number natin, 8 puntos.
Yes. They have to do a lot, diba? Cut this 13-point lead and then win the game by 8 pa.
Oh, they have to score 21 points.
Yes.
Dahil 13 points plus 8, that's 21 points.
That's a lot to weigh on their shoulders as 1 second on the clock. Pangan trying to beat the buzzer. They couldn't. Sinke couldn't the flip shot. Sinke on the third try gets fouled.
At ito mabigat, pang-apat na nilayog.
And yun nga, as you said, mabigat nga yun, 4. Dahil nga, I'm looking at the lineup netong Florida Blanca. Andun yung pangalan sa lineup, but he is not on the bench. Talking about itong si JP Manuel, John Paul Manuel. I do not see him on the bench of Florida Blanca. So walang katuwang dito si Jin Layog at the 5 spot.
Yes, oo. Mabigat kasi talaga yan. You are going up against the likes of dito sa yung mga bigs ng Level Up Lubao. Mag-isa ka lang, mabigat eh. Dahil ano ba yung dapat mong gawin pa dito?
Oo. A slashing team, di ba, that loves to attack. Wala kang magagawa sa shot blocker, but just wait or you foul. Lopez scoops it up, too strong. Layog trying to keep it alive. Cleared again by Sinke. Here comes Manalang. Turns it over, Manansala with a steal. Counter steal, Delfino from half court. Nearly got it to go. After a series of turnovers, wild possessions, etong Level Up Lubao magpapaho ng 13 puntos as we can see this third quarter highlights. Nagising na onte itong Florida Blanca, but the counter by the one and only 20-year-old phenom Franz de la Cruz talaga, Alvin, was the answer for them. Inuunti-unti ng Florida Blanca, but again, this highlight jam from Allen Danan caps off a tremendous third period for Level Up Lubao. That's why they're up again by 13 points, 43-30. They are 10 minutes away from the finals dito ng Delta Cup. Can they play keep away or will Florida Blanca make a miraculous comeback? Malalaman natin yan sa pagbabalik natin dito sa Delta Cup 2024.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Are we 10 minutes away from seeing CJ Delfino in the finals? And let's take a look at his semifinals numbers right here. 17 points, 1.5 rebounds per game. And right now, exploding once again. 11 points, 2 rebounds, and 3 assists for the Tasmanian Devil.
Yes, he has been terrific here in the third quarter. 6 points in that quarter alone. Kasi 5 points siya in the first half. So he has been playing special basketball in that third quarter.
And now let's turn it over to Milka Jazz Raimundo for her update on the Tasmanian Devil himself. Milka?
Thank you, Enzo and Alvin. Medyo struggling nga itong si CJ Delfino during the first half. But according to Delfino, the intensity he gave last game, ibibigay daw niya ulit niya ngayon, especially this fourth quarter. Kailangan daw siya ng team both on offense at defense. Dagdag pa ni CJ, gusto namin makuha ang panalo kaya all out na kami. Makakabawi kaya ang Tasmanian Devil ng Lubao for the remaining quarter? Let's see after this match. Balik sa inyo, Enzo and Alvin.
As MJ was reporting, kung makakabalik pa ba ang Tasmanian Devil to his true form, he did it right there.
Parang meron ata siyang headset dito. Yung narinig niya, pinag-uusapan nila ni MJ si CJ Delfino. Ito, para sa'yo.
Ito ako. And ito, may steal pa siya. Wow. And Delfino splits the defense, natapigan. Ball will remain on this side, but ito what we were talking about, Alvin. Magic number in the first 3 quarters was 8 for Florida Blanca. Now we said
the number is different now.
Yes, a magic number here in the fourth, 21 points. Ngayon, kailangan itong Florida Blanca na umiscore ng 21 points or lamangan nila ng 21 points. Itong koponan ng Lubao here. And yan, down to 19, yung magic number. Bakit 19? Lamang ng 13, 11 puntos because, again, for them to gain a seat in the finals, they have to score or win by at least 8 points or more.
Malaki-laki yan. 19 points. You also have to stop Lubao from scoring, di ba? Kita mo Eman Pangan just fires a 3 with not really his usual shot, but he has that in his arsenal if he wants to. As Alquero underneath, clobbered by the defense. De La Cruz hounded by Gregorio. Gives it to Delfino and they'll waste away some precious seconds right here.
Oras nasa kanila no?
Oo. Keep Florida Blanca at bay as Delfino misfires. Zita, 2 seconds on the clock. Pangan, Manalang fires. Nearly got it to go. Look at Zita. That is deflating for Florida Blancas. A traveling violation whistled here on Eman Pangan, but how many seconds was saved on the clock?
Yes, oo. And again, the time not in the favor of Florida Blanca. Magic number right now is 19 points.
And if you're level up Lubao, keep them at bay. You don't even have to win,
Yes.
di ba?
Hindi rin kailangan sila manalo because they if they lose here by 1 point or 2 points, still sila pa rin napapasok.
Yes. So yun yung situation that we are in, the predicament that we are in. And Apalit is now closely watching, Gonzaldi Mesinas closely watching sino ba sa dalawang kuponan na to ang makakalaban namin sa finals bukas. Delfino working on Danan screen. Delfino kicks it. De La Cruz again. Too strong. Florida Blanca on the run. Harvey scoops it up. Ayaw pa rin for Harvey Salvador. Harvey from the outside. Still out of sync for Speedy Harvey. Hirap na hirap ito si Harvey Salvador.
Oh, kita mo sino nakakuha ng rebound. Wala sa pwesto si CJ Delfino. Pero kita mo, Delfino na naman.
And look at that, Delfino just trying to waste away some precious seconds on the clock for Florida Blanca. And they're happy to do that, diba? They'll be more than willing to just do that. Run out the clock and just take a shot.
Oo.
And tandaan natin, Alvin, huwag natin kalimutan batiin the beloved Mayor of Lubao, Pampanga, Mayor Esmeralda Esme Pineda, Vice Mayor Jay Montemayor, and all of the 44 barangay captains in attendance dito sa Brenzigia Convention
Yes,
Center.
oh. 47 yung sinabi sa sa inyo. Because
barangay officials,
oo.
yes.
Si admin, si barangay admin, si barangay kagawad, syempre, support, all-out support for their Lubao squad. Level up na talaga
Oo.
para to sa koponan nila.
And what I cannot wait is Apalit is waiting on the finals. We saw how big the crowd was dito kanina.
Yes, oo.
Paano pa kaya sa finals, di ba?
Oo.
And Lubao and itong Florida Blanca are waiting. But look at that pass. And again, easy basket again for Lubao. John Zita na naman. Points
Yes.
off the bench na naman.
Even though this is a low-scoring game, napaka-low scoring nito. And 9 points, 10 points, 11 points na para sa Florida Blanca in this quarter. This is not the same Florida Blanca squad na nakita natin all tournament long for
Yes.
this Delta Cup.
And you've covered some of their games and you said, and I quote you, sabi mo to, this team has been so dominant coming out of the halftime.
Yes.
Natatambakan sila ng first half. Coming out of the half, they'll be just transformed into a totally different monster. We did not see that in this game.
Oo, iba dahil nakuha ng Lubao, level up Lubao, yung antidote na kung paano mo masastop yung Florida Blanca. And it is like, this is a different squad na all throughout this matchup.
As Lorico, whoa, what a block there by Alquero. Serrano on the run. They need more of those if they want to win and qualify for the finals.
Yes, balik na naman to sa 11 puntos, 19 yung kailangan nila if they want to get to the finals. And good, and block there, access denied. And open layup na lang to binigay ni Manalang.
Yes, and that cuts the lead down to 11 points, 47 to 36.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia.
Mga kapatid, handa na ba kayo para sa ating Kiss Cam? Pagkakataon mo na, kuya, para makita ang iyong Woo! One more! Yan! Peace! Yun! Kuya, kiss mo na si Ache. Yan ba, sa likod? Peace! Yun! Alright! Yun pa. Kiss naman dyan. Kiss! Yeehaw! Kiss ulit. Dito naman sa kabila. Nagalit pa. Dapat na.
May napansin ako. Lahat ng lalaki ang kumisa. Yun yung mga lalaki yung kumisa.
Alam mo, parang mag-iisip ka, parang dapat hindi ako yung partner mo eh. Dapat meron din dito eh.
Nanonood siya ngayon, paalala ko lang.
Hindi, kaya nga dapat siya yung katabi mo. Dapat siya yung katabi mo.
Hindi naman panelist yun, model yun.
Kailangan mo na makuha. Kailangan siya makuha.
Hindi na, sabi ni Alvin. Para trainingin natin, malay natin, diba?
Trainingin mo. Tama.
Might not know us. De La Cruz.
Wow! What a dagger 3 there.
Grabe. That is just a shot that you just give your hand out as a defender, di ba?
Kita mo, CJ Delfino, Franz de la Cruz, yung tandem nila, no? We have to check how many points have these two guys have. Kasi, I feel ko, yung scoring ng dalawa, halos katabla lang nila yung scoring nitong Florida Blanca. 16
for De La Cruz, 14 for Delfino.
That's 30 points.
Oo,
36 to 30. Oo.
6 points lang nilamang nila, di ba? Isipin mo yun. Ng Florida Blanca. Grabe, I mean, this level of Lubao, they literally, as you said nga, kanina, they leveled up in the playoffs.
Yes.
Alam the Miami Heat in the NBA, di ba?
Oh, look at that. Drive by Delfino.
Wala pa rin siya malagay sa TikTok na panigurado. Nahanap niya yung mga pa-TikTok niya. Harvey gives it to Serrano. No good pa rin for Aldrin Serrano. Salvador spins. Passes it to Manansala. Danan protecting the paint, but Manansala draws a foul.
Yes, oo.
This young coach, Vince Icban, really trying to rally his team here. 14 points pa sila down, and again, they have to win the game by 8 points or more. With 3 minutes and 58, that scenario is slowly slipping away from their... It's slowly slipping away from their fingertips.
Yes, oo. Yun nga eh. And again, the magic number is an 8-point lead for Florida Blanca.
Yes.
Unti-unti na yung nawawala sa possibility right now. And again, with time not on their side. And hindi pa naman natin sinasabing tapos na, pero it's a 13-point lead plus 8. That's 21 points that they need to score.
Balik sa 21.
Quick 21 points.
Yes. They're really struggling, but they need more of those giving turnovers and scoring quickly. But unlike yung previous possessions nila, medyo nagiging trigger happy sila because of the time. Set up a good play, get an easy basket, and then, di ba, get a defensive stop. But right now, talking about Florida Blanca, let's turn it over to Francine Capili for her report on Florida Blanca. France?
Enzo, ang sarili lang daw nila ang kailangan nilang labanan. Ang sabi ni head coach Vince Ecban. The crucial mistakes and decisions that they make during the game na nakakapagpahina ng loob ng team at nakakapagbigay ng chance sa Lubao to capitalize on Florida Blanca's errors are what Coach Vince thinks na biggest challenge that they have to overcome to win against Lubao. Surely, with enough hard work, Florida Blanca can overcome these struggles. Let's see what the remaining minutes can do for the Florida Blanca. Now back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, Franz, for that update. Good guys. Let's see what will happen to Florida Blanca in the remaining minutes. All of what Franz said in the report will mean nothing if they cannot, and I say cannot talaga,
Yes.
do that miracle number of 21, di ba?
Oo, kasi all they have to do right now is they just have to win the ball game muna.
Oo.
And then, hopefully, 8 points, kayang-kaya yan if they win the ball game. But the problem is, time is not on their side right now, Enzo. Numinipis na to na numinipis. And syempre, for Lubao, importante to. Dahil if they win the ball game, they sweep the semifinals. And syempre, alam nila na kaya nila na makalaban ito dahil nanalo nga sila against Ampalit Pampanga.
Yes. And right now, eto level of Lubao are 2 minutes and 42 seconds away from making it into the final round. 50-37 is our score.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
The opening ceremony of the Sinag Liga as a junior Philippines born 2001 and born 2004 lead basketball PH versus NYBL JY Titans for the first game, and the Parañaque Pelicans kontra TGC Santa Rosa Saints on the main event game sa SM Events Hall in SM South Mall, Las Piñas City po yan. Excited na ako for that.
Oo, isipin mo tapos na tayo sa Lakas 40. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa age bracket mo naman.
Yes. Pero hindi ako nakakwalify.
Ay, hindi ka na-qualify.
Na-overage pa ako ng ilang buwan. Kainis.
So, ibig sabihin pala kung ano, makikita ka namin maglaro.
Hindi rin. Wala rin kukuha sa akin. Dahil isipin mo, mga ganito kalabang ko. Okay na ako dito. Okay na ako dito. But, eto, look at that. The layup kanina ni Harold Lopez. Pumasok, hinayaan na lang nila. Lubao knows that it's an impossible. Look at that, though. They're just basically letting them get those layups.
Eto, cramps na. Yung mga atake na yung cramps dito. And, right now, it's an 11-point lead. Enzo, it looks like it's going to be Lubao kontra Ampalit.
Yes.
The battle of the fans dito.
Yes.
Yun ang excited ako
That is the most exciting part.
The battle of the drummers kontra sa horns.
And ang interesting doon yung dalawang mayor ay magkaibigan. Mayor Jun Tetaco of Ampalit Pampanga and Mayor Esme Pineda of Lubao, Pampanga. Magkaibigan yun. And I remember nung naglaban yung dalawang koponan na yun, Mayor Jun and Mayor Esme. Hindi naman, I wouldn't say nag-aasaran, but they were really invested in that game.
It's a friendly asaran.
Oo.
Ayan yung maganda dyan. And remember, that game in the semifinals, it was just a 2-point win by Level Up Lubao. Kung ganyan kadikit yung laro na yan, what more in the finals?
Totoo, and that, if those who remember that game, it was John Zita who saved the day for Lubao with the block and the steal in the final dying seconds of the game.
Now, it's a battle between the blue and yellow kontra sa orange and black. Ang ganda ng bakbakan na yan tomorrow sa finals.
Game 1 pa lang yun. You're gonna have at most 3 games, di ba? Dahil best of 3 yung laro na yun. And you can hear the fans dito ng Level Up Lubao really celebrating.
Isipin mo yan, the battle between itong Kent Montalvo, Ice Danting, going up against ito sila Franz de la Cruz, CJ Delfino. That
Oo.
will be a fun matchup. Lalo na yung shootout ng Franz de la Cruz at saka Ice Danting.
Ice Danting, no? Grabe, what a matchup we're going to look at here. As De La Cruz, speaking of, get another stop, and yan na. I'm officially going to call it na, Alvin. Lubao is
Yes.
in the finals na.
So that will be a fun matchup in the finals. Lubao leveling up in the semifinals.
Oh!
Wow!
Exclamation point from Alan Danan.
And it's over. That is how you end the ball game. Sabi nila, tapos na to. Magkita-kita tayo bukas, sabi nga ni Danan.
Grabe. What a finish here for Level Up Lubao. Had a twice to beat advantage in quarterfinals 1. Defeated their rivals of Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo in quarterfinals 2. And in the semifinals, they will sweep this bracket. They will sweep this entire round undefeated, unblemished dito sa semifinals.
Yun ang importante dito eh. It's not how you start the tournament. It's how you end
Yes.
it. Kasi, again, sabi mo nga, 11-game winning streak in the elimination round. That is a huge game. And they even beat itong Level Up Lubao in that 11-game winning streak.
That is true.
Pero isipin mo, in the semifinals, where it counts the most, dito nila tinalo itong Florida Blanca.
And look at the celebrations now starting for Level Up Lubao. But, you know, let's not forget, itong Florida Blanca fought their hearts out. Coach Vince Ekman, one of the youngest coaches in the entire nation right now. Heads up high. Diba dapat sila? Taas noo pa rin dapat sila. 11-game winning streak. That's not an easy feat to achieve.
Yes, and right now, huge upside for Florida Blanca sa mga darating na tournaments nila for the Delta Cup. But again, it's all about leveling up. Here in the
Yes.
tournament, Level Up Lubao will go up against Apalit. I love it. Sa ating
Grabe.
finals.
A rematch of last week's semi-final thriller. We will get a best-of-3 series out of that. Lubao has now booked their ticket to the finals ng Delta Cup. Magkikita sila ng Apalit. I love it in the final round. And look at the fans of Lubao storm the court, congratulate their players, and for sure a celebration is starting now sa Lubao, Pampanga.
Yes, at sigurado, will it be level it up once again in the finals? Or will we love it more sa Apalit? Yan yung magiging magandang labanan natin sa finals.
Yes, grabe nga. And look at that.
Ayun na, in-announce na ni Rambalit.
Oo.
It is official. It is going to be Level Up Lubao and Apalit. I love it sa ating finals. Bukas yan.
Look at that. That is our final score, 54-46. What a victory para dito sa Level Up Lubao. They level up now to the final round dito sa Delta Cup. 2 victories, 2 wins away from the coveted 2024 Delta Cup. And now, let's turn it over to Milka Jazz Raimundo for our best player of the game. MJ, sino kasama mo dyan?
At kasama ko nga ngayon ang best player of the game ng Lubao, Pampanga na si Franz de la Cruz with 16 points, 4 rebounds, and 3 assists. First of all, congratulations, Franz. Now, another challenge sa inyo itong Team Florida Blanca. Muntik na kayo mag-close game after the first half. Now, ano ba yung effective game plan or advice sa inyo ni Coach? Para patuloy kayong... Another challenge sa inyo itong Team Florida Blanca. Muntik na kayo mag-close game after the first half. Now, ano ba yung naging effective game plan or advice sa inyo ni Coach para patuloy kayong dumepensa hanggang fourth quarter?
May tiwala lang po ako sa game plan, sa sarili ko at sa mga teammate ko. At yung confident po namin ay dinadala pa po namin.
Now, kanina sabi mo sa akin, you were one of the youngest sa team nyo, but grabe yung nakita mo ngayon. Your perseverance and hard work proves the result of your game tonight. How do you make this win possible?
Po.
Kanina sabi mo sa akin, you were one of the youngest youngest team sa team nyo. But yung gabi pinakita mo and your perseverance and hard work proves the result of your game tonight. How do you make this win possible?
Nag-pray lang po kay God. At sana po bigay.
Now, meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan or batiin?
Una-una kay God po sa panahon na to at kay Vice Mayor Jimon de Mayor, kay Mayor Esme, sa mga cap namin dyan. Si mama ko, dati ko, Coach Bert, Coach James, Boss Marty, si Natian yan, Tininig, Wetantan, Nico, si Jun, Kenneth, Cholo, Richie, tsaka po si Kyle.
Once again, that is the best player of Lubao, Pampanga, Franz de la Cruz. Back to you, Enzo and Alvin.
Thank you so much, MJ, and congratulations once again to Franz de la Cruz and Level Up Lubao for qualifying for the finals round. The celebration is a little bit starting now, pero mga kabalin, abang-abang lang po kayo kung kailan po ba ang game number 1 ng finals between Apalit, I Love It, and Level Up Lubao. Diyan na po magtatapos ang ating laro at diyan na rin po magtatapos ang ating semifinals round dito po sa Delta Cup 2024 for Alvin Tanyada, MJ, Franz, and the rest of the hardworking men and women. And on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Tanan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramonito Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women from the Brenzy Giao Convention Center, this has been your 2024 Delta Cup. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa and I'm saying goodbye and good night.